everyone, let's find the value of x. Now we are going to introduce log to both sides of the equation because that is the only option left here. Okay, now let's get straight to the point. So we are going to have log 5 to the power of x is equal to log 32 divided by 15. Now when you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b multiplied by log a. Okay, so that means that we can rewrite this as x multiplied by log 5 is equal to log 32 divided by 15. Now let us divide both sides of the equation by log 5 to get the value of x. So we now have that x log 5 divided by log 5 is equal to log 32 divided by 15 divided by log 5. Okay, now this we cancel this and we have that x is equal to log 32 divided by 15 divided by log 5. Now the most interesting aspect of this video is where we proved that the answer we got is correct, so do not miss that aspect at all. I need you to stick around to the end and see how we are going to prove that. Okay, now let's continue. So recall that when you have log a divided by b, okay, this is the same thing as log a minus log b. All right, so that is exactly what we are going to do here. So we can now express this as x is equal to log 32 minus log 15 divided by log 5. Okay, so x is equal to log 32 divided by log 5 minus log 15 divided by log 5. Okay, all right, now x is equal to, recall that you can express 32 as 2 to the power of 5, all right, divided by log 5 minus, now 15 can be expressed as 3 multiplied by 5, okay, divided by log 5. Now our x is equal to, this will come down, 5 log 2 divided by log 5 minus, now we can express this as, when you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Okay, that is the meaning. Therefore we can write this as log 3 plus log 5, everything divided by log 5, and this in brackets to be controlled by this minus sign. Okay, now x is equal to 5 log 2 divided by log 5, now minus, we are going to separate them, so we have log 3 divided by log 5 plus log 5 divided by log 5. Okay, all right, now if this is the first time you are coming across this channel, please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. In fact, you don't need the notification bell, always tune in twice every day because you upload 2 times, at least 2 times every day. So check us at your convenient time, 2 times every day, you always see us. Okay, all right, now give us a thumbs up, it means a lot to us, and comment, let's actually know how you feel about what we are doing. Thank you so much. So this is what we have. Our x is equal to 5 log 2 divided by log 5, all right, minus, now this will divide this to give us 1, right? So we are going to have minus log 3 divided by log 5 plus 1. Okay, now x is equal to, when you have log a divided by log b, this is same thing as log a base b. Okay, so let's use that here so that this solution will look simpler and not too complex or ambiguous. All right, Now x is equal to 5. So this is going to be log 2 base 5, all right, minus log 3 base 5 minus 1, because this minus will multiply this to give us minus log 3 base 5, and this minus will multiply plus 1 to give us minus 1. Okay, all right. So we have that x is equal to this. No need of repeating myself. Now to the most interesting aspect of this video. Let's go ahead and prove that the answer is correct. So I'm going to clean this side of the board. Going to clean it. So we are told, let's see if it is really true. If we got the answer right, that 5 to the power of x, okay, is equal to 32 divided by 15. Let's see if that is true. Now our x is 5 multiplied by log 2 base 5 minus log 3 base 5 minus 1 is equal to 32 divided by 15. So now when you have a raised to the power of m minus n, this is equal to a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n. All right, so we can now write this as 5 raised to the power of 5 log 2 base 5 divided by 5 raised to the power of log 3 base 5 divided by, because it's still the minus, divided by 5 raised to the power of 1 is equal to 32 over 15. Okay, now when you have a raised to the power of, okay, before that let us transfer this to make it power. Okay, so we have 5 to the power of log 2 to the power of 5 base 5. So I'm bringing this up now, divided by 5 raised to the power of log 3 base 5 divided by 5, or if I change this division to multiplication, it's going to be multiplied by 1 over 5 is equal to 32 over 15. Okay, permit me to use this side. All right, now when you have a to the power of log b base a, okay, this is equal to b. Therefore, we can now write this as what? They have the same base, this and this. That means the whole of this is 2 to the power of 5 divided by the whole of this is 3 times 1 over 5 is equal to 32 over 5. Now 2 to the power of 5 is 32 and 3 times 5 is 15 is equal to 32 divided by 15. Interesting, right? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and bye.